Hi and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a mini tutorial on this eyeshadow look. So if you guys want to know more on how I get this look, better stay tuned and watch it. So first thing first, I'm applying this color correcting underneath my eye. So the product that I'm using was from Urban Decay. Is the Naked Skin color correcting fluid. So this helped to brighten up the eye area, and the shade I'm using was the shade Peach. Then next, I'm putting the foundation. It's from Hourglass. It's the stick foundation. I really love this product, but it's very expensive. So I guess if you guys want to buy it from Sephora, you should wait for the 20% off. This foundation is like very long lasting and full coverage. Next, I'm applying the concealer. This is from Tarte Aquacealer. It's from the Rainforest of the Sea collection. And then after that, I'm blending it underneath my eye just to help to brighten up the look. Before I start to set it with my Mercier translucent powder. So set the under eye area to prevent some creasing. And I also used the powder to set the whole foundation just to mattify it and prevent some creasing and movement of the foundation. Then I start to fill up my eyebrows and shaping it with Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. And I really take some time and effort to carefully fill it up, because your eyebrows are the frames to your eyes. Then I set my eyebrows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Gel. And the shade that I'm using is the same as the Brow Wiz, which is the shade Chocolate. And now for the eyeshadow. So the palette that I'm using is Riviera. So check out the colors, so gorgeous. So the first shade I'm using is Sales. Sales is like a matte white shade. So I'm applying this underneath my brow bone area. And then next will be Coastline. So Coastline is a matte pastel soft peach. I use this shade as a transition color before I start to apply the next color, which is Monte Carlo. So Monte Carlo is a matte cool mid-tone peach. This is just another transition color for me to add on before I start applying another deeper shade. So the next shade that I'm applying will be Canes. So Canes is like a matte bright violet purple pressed pigment. Yes, it's a pressed pigment, and I hope I pronounced the word correctly. Canes? Canes? I don't know. So I really take some time to blend this shade because it's very pigmented. Then the next shade that I'm applying is Bahamas. And Bahamas is a matte bright bold candy hot pink. It's another pressed pigment. And then I decided to do a cut crease on my eyes. Because why? Because I have a lot of time on that day, and why not? And also by applying a concealer underneath the eyeshadow, it helps to make the eyeshadow color pops and more vibrant. And the shade that I'm applying right now is called Mediterranean, which is a metallic sky blue. I'm applying this with the brush. Yep, I know, wrong move. Then next, I'm applying Palermo, which is a metallic jewel pink. So now you see me using my fingers to apply the shimmer shade on my lids. So yep, same color, Palermo, and also the Mediterranean. So using the same brush, I dip with the hot pink and the purple shade mixed together and shade it under my eye area to deepen up the look. And then I apply the matte white shade at the inner corners of my eyes just to brighten up the looks. Next, I'm applying this eyeliner from Ciate. Is the stamp and drag eyeliner. This is a shortcut for my cat eye look, and I bought this from Sephora, and yep, it decided to sold out on me during the 20% off. And this product is really good, guys. Then check out my small mini travel size mascara from Too Faced, Better Than Sex. So I'm applying this on both of my eyes. And the lashes that I'll be wearing is from Huda Beauty, and it's a collaboration with Olivia. And these lashes are so gorgeous and it's so fluttery, and it really complements the eye look. Now it's time for bronzer. So the shade that I'm using is the Hoola bronzer, which comes from the Cheekleaders Bronze Squad from Benefit Cosmetics. So I'm applying this on all over of my face just to warm up my face. And with the same bronzer, I used to contour my nose just to make it more defined. Then I'm applying this Hoola Caramel. This is a new shade from Benefit Cosmetics. So I'm applying this on my cheekbone. It helps to really make my cheekbone more chiseled and more defined. And then I'm applying this blusher in the shade Coralista on the apples of my cheeks. And then I'm applying this new highlighter shade called Tickle. So Tickle is a new shade from the Mini Pink Squad Cheekleaders Palette from Benefit Cosmetics. So I'm applying this on the highest point of my cheekbone areas, my nose bridge, and then the cupid's bow, and also my chin. And now it's time for lipstick. So the lipstick that I'm using is from Huda Beauty. This is the Demi Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade of Shiro. And so to complete the look, I spray my face with the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. And this is the final look. This is the completed look. I mean, like, it's not really completed because what? I forgot to wear something, which is mascara on the bottom lash. So let me do this quick. I forgot to mention that I'm using this Urban Decay Glide On Pencil on my waterline area, and also a coat of mascara on the bottom lash to complete the whole eye look. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this mini tutorial of mine. So I hope to see you guys next time on my next video. Okay, right, that's all for now. Thank you. Bye.